So, many people have asked me if I still have the original engine, and of course I have it. Yeah, you can see PV50, and it's got some upgrades like 26 millimeters Mikuni and this awful intake, but it works. It got a cast iron cylinder from Wanda Motors in Finland, and the top end is from ZR50, because when you're going to make the combustion room larger, like 50 millimeters, it's much more easy to mill when the spark plug is straight. Like on this original top end, it's tilted, so yeah, it's much more problem. I still use the original electronics. It works, but it's not that great, but it works. Yeah, I don't know if there is so much to say, but everything is new in this engine, or cleaned, or yeah. I used the ZR50 gears, so from original 4 gears it's now have 5 gears, so it's much more nice to drive. If you want to see how I milled the top end, I will show you now. And yeah, when you use the top end from ZR50, you need to cut off these cool fins for the exhaust, because it comes out here and just goes over here. So yeah, that's why the original has these cut-out fins. But I'm going to open so you can see. So you can see it's milled up to 50 millimeters to yeah, you see how small this is and how big the other one is. So original, this is like this one, 41 millimeters, and you see the piston. I can bring it out. It's 50 millimeters. This cylinder is ported, and the channels are very smooth and nice, so I don't know, maybe this brings about 10 horsepower now. But of course, as long as I have my RM80 on the PV50, I will never use this, but it's good and nice to keep it with me if something should happen to the RM80 engine and I really need to just shift engines, and I will of course do that if it's necessary. But yeah, nothing beats the RM80. So but it's a good engine, it's nice. Yeah, if you have any questions and just want to ask anything, so just drop a comment and I will provide whatever I can to help you if there's any questions. So yeah, thank you.